shit. Batman bro, man. I'ma tell you about them boys. You don't know nothing about them boys. Oh boy, don't be sleep. Not them G niggas. What the hell? They run up in the shit. Oh man.
Cash,
yeah, boy, I swear. I hear you.
Yeah, let's get it. Mr. Montana, T-Bones, killing shit, man. 600 shit. Let's go.
Enough about them, I'ma tell you about Mr. Book Moolah, dictator, street city commands to the shooter. Let you play yourself, hang yourself, hand you the strap, let you bang yourself. You might say the more there, yeah, he talk that talk. I ain't playing on bloods, I walk that walk. Solo dolo with my mo to the streets, and love me so, but the whole clique wanna roll. Fucking nigga, let's go.
Call me Mr. Montana, young nigga T-Bones, known to keep that hammer. I'm blowing on some ching ching chong, out here trying to get it. Any means cutthroat, run up on a nigga with the heater, leaving gun smoke. Shit is no joke, cock back, let the toe blow. Young nigga never been a chump, never homo. Hit him with the fofo, eyes low, kush smoke. Y'all niggas pussy walking around with your skirts tucked. Talk tough, get bucked, loud pack, rolled up, smoking every day, probably rolling in a foreign. I'm ballin' like I'm Jordan, and your bitch was boring. A nigga got a problem, hit him once, leave him snoring.
Stay away, boy. Don't get caught sleeping. There's hungry people outside that'll stop your breathing from good eating. I ain't saying I'm the heathen, but I rode a squad of demons that'll leave a nigga leaking.
Drilling shit, killing shit, young nigga, I'm getting it. Banging, that's an occupation, so I keep a full clip. Never slip, never lack, shoot him, leave him on his back. In this trap, flipping crack, telling stories through this rap.
Non-fiction nightmares, we ahead like years. Action stars going hard, laughing at you sightseers.
Doing shows, getting cake, hit the club, make it rain. Red hair with the green eyes, I call that bitch Mary Jane. Kush is my cologne, turning up, I be in my zone. Guarantee that once I blow up, I probably fuck your hoe. Sipping lean